there's still a lot of putty up here.
But really, I mean, as hard as it could have been, that wasn't too bad.
Well, we're not done yet.
Oh my God.
Fields around me, where there's nothing but the breeze and the great unknown. Leave your worries and your suitcase.
I think it's worth sharing some of the challenges that we had. It wasn't an overly technical upgrade, but I would say working on top of the Airstream was a bit challenging.
Yeah, I don't know how you could have done it. Just, I mean, because of your size. Like, I mean, there was limited room up there for my feet to make a cross over there, and then just the positions I had to sit in, you know, for an hour scraping. I don't know that somebody your size could have done that without scaffolding or anything like that. My bum is still hurting from sitting up there. Are you going to be around so I don't have to get up and down?
No, I'm just going to leave you up there. Oh my goodness. You got that down to an art.
Oh yeah, there we go. Now we see some screws.
Wow, that came right out.
Dude, this thing looks nasty. Like it needs replaced.
All right, ready to pull it out?
Yep. Take the whole thing out?
Yeah.
Well, we're not done yet.
Oh my God. We got two little wires down here to connect and some screws. I think we're in a good spot.
Oop, to clean up here.
Besides getting on and off of the Airstream, which is a challenge, and the working environment you're talking about, just the layout of this roof on this model Airstream, it's a bit tight, right? So my shoe size would have.
Yeah, I don't know if they're all like that, but there's, I mean, with the solar panels and the AC and then the wires and everything, there's not a lot of room even for my foot to go. So yeah. I don't see how you could have gotten up there.
Yeah. Now I'll go back there with the trash bag and we can put a lot of this stuff back in there.
Yeah, I need like a shop vac. There's a lot of little stuff.
Really? You think it's shop vac?
Or something, some little vacuum.
Yeah, you.
Oh my gosh, I can't move.
There you go.
So we're just fitting it on there right now. We're not. These go silver left to right.
Yeah.
Is that right?
All right, set it back in there again. Okay, it was in there. I guess those gaps are there. Do you feel like if when you go to screw that down that the tape is going to make contact? Which I believe so.
Yeah, I just don't see like how theirs was like squeezing out the sides. I definitely don't think ours is going to squeeze out the sides.
Well, I'm sure they had different thicknesses. Yeah, sort of bias it toward me like this and see if you can hit the ridge just a little bit like that. Okay, that one will work. That just barely got to where we needed it to be.
So is that good?
Yeah. That was good.
Lined up.
90-degree bend right here, underneath it here.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I'm having you go in an angle, because if it's too far out, you go behind the wall and you don't catch anything.
Do I?
Generous.
Oh.
You don't need to be neat up here. There you go. That's all right.
What? Oh my god.
It's like icing on the cake, right?
Oh gosh. This is gonna be, hold on.
All right. See
So-
which way it faces, right?
No.
Over.
It's gonna do this way?
No.
This way?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
See if you can set that in there and just see what it looks like.
I wake up in the morning in this great blue state. Golden fingers caress my face. Slips through the window on a silky breeze. A dreamer's life, the plants on the sea.
Okay. I think we should test it before we put anything else on.
She's my believer, healing all my doubts. A lighted mirror, reflecting out every true potential. Bedrock belief in a life with blood. Set this bird free from every element of place, every color that's
Paper on here or take it off?
Take it off, honey. Let's see it.
Probably Bryce calling.
So that's interesting, right? So it's not overly technical. It does have its challenges, but if you're somebody who feels comfortable going up the ladder, getting on top of the Airstream, have the flexibility of size to fit into that working space, it's pretty doable upgrade, right? And I'm looking forward to having this fan this year. I mean, for years, right? This is our second Airstream. For years, we've talked about, the issues we've had when it closes and it starts to rain, and we want that ventilation. What I didn't think about, which is also great with this Max Air fan, is that when we go to replace it, it'll go bad eventually. It's 4 screws now. We don't have to take out that plate. It can stay in place. You take 4 screws out, take that old fan out, drop the new one in. We could probably do that in an hour.
Well, hopefully we don't have to worry about that for a long time.
Always thinking down the road.
Yeah.
But this upgrade, I would say easily, you agree, 6 hours, not even a full day, you could knock it out.
Yeah, maybe not even 6 hours. I mean, probably less than that.
What other things can we think of to share, right?
The heat gun was really useful.
Oh.
I think that made it a lot easier. I don't know how somebody would have done that without one. I don't want to think about how long it would have taken without the heat gun. And I say that we've gotten, I don't know what, I think we bought that when we first moved into this house, and we've actually got quite a bit of use out of it for different projects.
It's funny how tools work like that.
Yeah.
Once you have them, you start finding uses for them.
Yeah.
I'm with you. I really thought it was going to take hours, if not days, of just meticulous chipping away at that seal. But to your point, when we started to warm it up with the heat gun and we got a good starting point, it just pulled right up. It really wasn't that bad at all. So But it's
But with that said, I'm ready to do the skylight. I'll get back up there.
yeah, we have a technique now.
Yes.
You're comfortable getting on and off the Airstream, and we're
Yeah.
ready for the next mod. That'll be next year.
Yeah.
Because we have the DC to DC coming up.